Hello guys, Sam from the Bodycentre here. As you can see, we have a beautiful Lamborghini Urus on site this week. Hello guys, Sam from the Bodycentre here. As you can see, I'm sat inside a beautiful Lamborghini Urus. Now, I would say the colour name, but I can't actually pronounce it. But what I can say, this colour is incredible. And I do believe if you have a Lamborghini, it has to be a vibrant colour like this. But we're actually going to be doing something which you probably won't expect. We're going to be removing all of the arches, all of the door mouldings and the front bumper. And we're going to be repainting them in a high gloss black. Now there's a lot of yellow going on, so the customer's asked to tone it down with some gloss black, which I believe is going to look incredible. They do actually do a Lamborghini from factory with this spec, so we're basically changing this spec to the other spec available. Now let's get this car into the workshop, let's strip all these trims off and move through to the paint shop. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, share and subscribe on all our social media pages. It would really help us grow the channel, which I hope you're all enjoying. So let's go, let's get into the workshop.